Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 3, 2026 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong August 3, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, August 3, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 3, 2026, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for August 3, 2026, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 3, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.